Did you know you can make an incredibly delicious and yummy breakfast using just one potato and 2 eggs? This is a simple 3-minute viral breakfast hack most people don't know about. Welcome to African Village Flavors. Take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe every week. Let's get started. First, take one potato and slice it into thin slices. Do the same with also 1 carrot. Thin slices help everything cook fast and evenly. Heat a pan and add a little oil. Place the potato slices in the pan and cook for about 2 minutes, flipping until they turn golden brown on both sides. As we wait for our potato chips to cook, let's prepare our cilantro by chopping them into small chunks. If you love quick and yummy breakfast ideas like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Once they're nicely cooked, arrange them in the pan. Add the carrot slices and some tomatoes on top. Leaving a little space between them, this helps the omelet bind everything together perfectly. Now, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a little garlic and ginger powder, and some fresh coriander. Mix everything well until fully combined. Pour the egg mixture gently over the vegetables. Cook on medium heat for about 1 minute, then flip. After another minute, look at that. Soft, fluffy, golden, and smelling absolutely amazing. Transfer it to a plate. Slice a small piece. Even my cameraman can't wait for a bite. So simple, so fluffy, and so delicious. And the best part? This breakfast takes just 3 minutes to make. Just look at that. Try this recipe today. Share it with someone who loves quick breakfasts. And subscribe to African Village Flavors for more easy, budget-friendly recipes like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of our omelet breakfast. Enjoy and see you in the next one.